a good analogy is to look at, let's say if you want to cut down a tree. So instead of you cutting it from the roots, you just trim the branches or cut off the trunk. Of course, the tree will look like dead, like it's not growing again, but after some time the tree will start growing. That's what it means when you talk about the root cause. Like you may release the stress, but the source of the stressor is still there. So after some time it will still come back. That's why sometimes your botox may wear off, and that's why also you may also need to be going back and forth to do these injections. So there's no problem with doing that.